Na Rastaman grind the ganja, yeah man. Under moonlight, I light my chalice high. Sacred smoke rising to Jah in the sky. In the hills where the silence speak loud, I and I walk barefoot, free from the crowd. No chain pon me soul, no fear in a heart. The ancient drum beat in Babylon falling apart. Rasta fire burn bright in a sacred night. We chant down wickedness, chant up the light. With herbs and meditation we sight the way. Living truth and love every single day. Zion calling, can you hear the sound? Roots deeper than the underground. From sunrise to sunset, me spirit floats. Guided by ancestors, the wisdom they wrote. Me not chase gold, me chase the peace. In a ganja haze, me soul release. Each breath sacred, each step divine. Me sip coconut water, me realign. No clock, no pressure, just natural time. Me heart beat in rhythm, me reason in rhyme. So me sing for the healer, sing for the tree. Sing for the youth, them who try to be free. This world full of noise, full of illusion, but Rasta stay centered in love's solution. No TV control, no digital chain, just irie breeze blowing through me brain. Rasta fire burn bright in a sacred night. We chant down wickedness, chant up the light. With herbs and meditation we sight the way. Living truth and love every single day. Zion calling, can you hear the sound? Roots deeper than the underground. I see through the smoke, me vision stay true. Third eye open when me burn the bamboo. Babylon try test we, but we hold firm. Like the lion we roar with every term. We not beg system, we build our lane. Plant food, plant trees, heal the pain. The children of Jah, now bow or break. We rise with each breath that we take. So light up the fire, blaze it with pride. Let Rasta wisdom be your guide. We not need riches, we got soul gold. In this reggae journey, we never fold. So light up the fire, blaze it with pride. Let Rasta wisdom be your guide. We not need riches, we got soul gold. In this reggae journey, we never fold.
Big spiff with coconut, your man. We step in a morning dew, barefoot on the land. We feel the heartbeat of the earth in a me hand. We carry no phone, we carry no chain, just a spliff, a drum, and a mind so plain. We walk through mist and mango trees. We chant ancient words, carried by breeze. Me not in a rush, me in a flow. We reason with river and let wisdom grow. We meet an elder by a roots man gate. Him say youths take time, don't move with hate. Him light a chalice, pass it slow. Tell story about time when the vibes did glow. We listen close with a humble ear. Each word a jewel, each pass sincere. We partner straight, but it's always true. When you walk with Jah, you find what's due. Through the hills of Iration, me soul find salvation. In a breeze, in a smoke, me levitate. Me heartbeat in a natural state. No clock rule, me meditation. Just peace and good vibration. We chant with birds, we reason with sky. We live and love till the day me fly. In a valley me find a quiet spring. We sit and write songs for the most high king. No stage, no fame, just me and Jah. A coconut, a fire and the itala. We reflect on life, how Babylon rush, how them chase vanity and forget lush. But me know say simplicity a key to unlock Zion. Ganja Blazin, man. Me step out of me yard, the lion heart. Chalice in a hand, me ready for the start. Me nah walk alone, me trod with your light. In a darkness, me still shine bright. Me see youth with no hope, no plan. But me say, hold firm, you a strong man. System cold, but me soul stay warm. Me carry the storm in a roots man farm. Step with light, step with fire. One love burning, rising higher. Ganja blaze and the drums them tight. Reggae warrior, me stand for right. No retreat, we dep on mission. Sound of Zion, roots man vision. Me nah dep on TikTok fame. Me dep on truth, me dep on name. Me chant for the youth where Babylon blind. Me chant for the ones who seeking sign. Me nah throw stone, me build foundation. Each lyric a healing meditation. From Kingston Street to Berlin Yard, one rhythm a beat and the message hard. Meditation rise with the smoke in the air. Lion roar deep, no time for fear. Me dep on a hill with herb in a palm. Sound system roll, bring the calm. Drum and bass, connect me soul. Truth and love, that's a me goal. Ital food and ancient chants. Me live simple, me not take chance. Step with light, step with fire. One love burning, rising higher. Ganja blaze and the drums them tight. Reggae warrior, me stand for right. No retreat, we dep on mission. Sound of Zion, roots man vision. Zion echoes, sound calling high. We not fake vibes, we reaching sky. Me not need crown, me need the truth. Me raise me voice for the innocent youth. Every verse is a seed me sow. Me now wait for system fi grow. Me bring freedom with every line, and blaze the herb fi clear the mind. So rise up, step on the ground. Let reggae music be your sound. We not fight with gun, we fight with vibe. We plant hope where evil hide. So come here now, chanting the light. Zion echoes bring the people insight. And when the rhythm drop, feel no fear. We treading strong, Jah love is near.
Nightfall coming like the fire. Me wake with a smile, sun a shine so bright. Me give thanks for life. Me soul feel light. Me grab me herb, me chalice ready. Me mind steady, me heart beat steady. Me step outside, me greet the day. Bird them a sing, like them a pray. Me sit pan rock, high pan the hill. The world stand still, me spirit feel chill. One Jah, one love, one drop of Jah. Me fly so high, me no need no car. Me float pan rhythm, me dancing breeze. Me soul release, me heart at ease. The fire blaze, the drum beat roll. Me chant out truth from deep in soul. In a this moment, me feel so free. I tell living Rasta energy. Me sight the moonlight shine like gold. Ancestors watching story told. Me walk through trees, me hear the wine. Me chant a hymn, me cleanse me sin.
No watch, no clock, no stress me wear. Me time divine, me path clear. Me and me queen, and in a end, we build a liberty pan sacred land. Me sip me roots, me feel the vibes. No mix me soul with Babylon tribes. Me rather live slow, live real. Feel Jah presence in a every meal. One draw, one love, one drop of Jah. Me burn me herbs and a shining star. Meditation deep, me third eye wide. Me feel Jah guide from deep inside. No war, no gun, just peace and drum. Me sing me song till Zion come. Me not beg fame, me not chase gold. Me story sacred, pure and bold. Nightfall come, me light the fire. Story flow like ancient choir. Me brethren gather, we share the plant. Me youth them laugh, me empress chant. We reason truth, bout life and time. We sip some tea, we sip some wine. Me play me guitar, me chant a line. Rasta way, away divine. Me nah judge no man fi impart, long as him walk with righteous heart. Me welcome all in a me zone. Love and ganja build me throne. Under stars, me close me eyes. Me feel Jah move across the skies. No church, no wall, just air and tree. That's where me meet divinity. So light up high and let it roll. The herb a key, the music soul. Me no lost, me found in flame. Me and Jah walk in a one name.
Ay, 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 ay. Down by the riverside with the ganja glow. Yo, man. Me rise with sun, breeze cool and clean. Birds are sing in lush green scene. Me sit on rock, herb in hand. Meditation take me to promised land. No stress, no phone, just Rasta vibe. Me reason with wind, me soul feel alive. Me empress hums a healing song. And in the peace, me know me belong. Rootsman meditate in a delight. Ganja blaze and heart feel right. No worry now, no Babylon fear. Jah presence strong, Jah spirit near. Smoke rise high, thought tree flow. Me hold the fire, me let love grow. Rootsman walk in humble peace. And with each chant, the weight release. Me cook it all stew pan open flame. Pumpkin callaloo, Jah bless the name. Me youth them run, them laugh and play. We give thanks each and every day. No microwave, no poison meal. Me food and herb, me holy seal. We sip tea made from ganja leaf. Me find in nature sweet relief. The night come down, me light a stick. Me roll a spliff and burn it quick. Stars above, me sit and chant. Me speak to Jah, me soul a plant. Me vision clear, me mind at ease. Me heart beats strong with every breeze. Them can't program this kind of love. It born in I from up above. River run cool, me bathe and pray. Me wash me doubts and drift away. A little youth say, Rasta, why you smile? Me say, me live truth and walk Jah mile. We reason deep and share a flame. No titles, no game, we are not the same. Me say smoke is key, but mind is gate. Balance your heart, elevate. Rootsman chant and herb a burn. Each puff a lesson, each breath me learn. Me carry Jah light through every day and hold me ground when skies turn grey. Me nah seek gold, me seek divine. Me path artist roots, me soul align. Roots man walk with humble pride, cause Jaja ever there by my side. So if you lost or feel confused, take off the shoes and walk with truth. Roll your spliff and close your eyes. Let Jah reveal what Babylon hide. From mountain top to yard below, Zion echoes, I make it flow. Roots man meditation, pure and deep. Feed the soul we wake and not sleep.
Na 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 na, son of a Zion, yeah man. Early in the morning, me rise with the sun. Now ya bingy drum beat, they just begun. Me wash me face in the river so clean. Ganja leaf in a me hand, life feel like a dream. Birds them a sing, breeze kiss me locks. Me give thanks to Jah, no need for clocks. Me nah rush, me nah fuss, just flow. Each breath a blessing, me soul a glow. Son over Zion, blaze up the light. Meditation strong, everything feel right. High grade rolling, no stress in sight. Rasta vibration, rise up in a flight. This a life, this a love, this a truth me defend. Jah guide me steps from now to the end. Me walk barefoot through the valley of trees. Me chant ancient words while me feel the breeze. No concrete jungle, just earth and sky. No fake smile, just truth in I and I. Me nah follow fashion, me follow the path. Build from roots and bless from the start. Me sip vital tea, burn bush with pride. In a harmony, me and the most I ride. Them try to trap we in a system maze, but we navigate with the ganja blaze. Sound system bumping, heart feels strong. One rhythm, one art, one righteous song. The world move fast, but we move wise. Gaze in the stars, see Jah in the skies. Sun over Zion, blaze up the light. Meditation strong, everything feel right. High grade rolling, no stress in sight. Rasta vibration, rise up in a flight. This a life, this a love, this a truth me defend. Jah guide me steps from now to the end. Them a run for riches, me run for peace. Me find the strength where the rivers release. Me nah carry hate, me carry love. Guided by ancestors from above. Fire burn corruption, fire light me way. Each puff of her, me troubles fade away. Me teach the youth to live and learn, to hold the fire till Babylon burn. So if you lost, come follow this flame. Me nah play fame, me play Jah name. Zion echoes, sound system high. We chant redemption till we reach the sky. So light it up and feel the breeze. Rasta life bring inner peace. Ay 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 ay. Go Rastaman, teacher man. Sunrise a touch me skin like Jackies. Birds them a chant in a morning bliss. Me step barefoot on the cool wet ground. Earth talk to me, sweet is the sound. Me roll up herb, I tell in a me pot. No riches me want, me already got. Peace in a me soul and truth in me speech. Higher heights me seek, me now preach. Joy, rise up Rasta higher heights today. Burn the chalice, chant and pray. Music and ganja guide me soul. Me journey long, but me heart stay whole. Rise up, Rasta higher heights today. Burn the chalice, chant and pray. Music and ganja guide me soul. Me journey long, but me heart stay whole. In the hills me dwell, far from noise. Me hear me thoughts, me feel me joys. Bird fly free, trees sway so light. Nightfall come, stars bless me sight. Me chant with drum and sip me tea. Jah presence wrap me endlessly. Me nah rush, me pace is wise. Me soul expand, me spirit rise. One draw, two draw, me float away. Me mind make space for the light today. No fear, no hate, no war me keep. Just melody and bread so deep. Me and me brethren sit and reason. Seasons change but vibes stay even. Me empress laugh, me youth them dance. Rasta way I give life a chance. Rise up Rasta higher heights me say. Smoke and chant the night away. Me nah follow, me create me path. Through the fire, me find Jah's wrath. Rise up Rasta higher heights me say. Smoke and chant the night away. Me nah follow, me create me path. Through the fire, me find Jah's wrath. But even so, love rule me mind. Me no leave no soul behind. We walk together, tribe and fire to Zion gate. We climb higher, dubwise echo inna the valley. Me beat me drum like sweet tamale. Me spirit dance, me ancestors near. Me feel them whisper inna me ear. Keep treading youth, don't lose sight. Your fire burn bright in Jah light. So me chant louder, smoke rise high. Blessed is the I and I. So if you feel lost in a world so loud, find the silence in the ganja cloud. Listen to drum, listen to wine. Rasta journey come from within. Me nah need Babylon's validation. Me meditate Ganja vibration. And when me pass from this creation, me spirit fly to Zion nation. Ganja's Rastasman medicine, ya man. Me rise up with sun pa me face. Me barefoot step on sacred place. No rush, no chase, no time for war. Me move with the rhythm from near and far. Me ear drum beat deep in a earth. Ancient sound from long before birth. Me lock me crown, me stretch me hand. Me feel Jah pulse move through the land. Me wrap me herb in banana leaf. Me chant one prayer for world relief. Me heart dance to the Naya Bingi fire. This vibration lift me higher and higher. Rhythm of the roots, it a call me soul. Me step in a chance, me lose control. Me dance for the love, me move for the light. Me chant in a rhythm all day and night. Roots like river, sound so true. Rhythm of the roots, it carry you. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Me see me sister swing like tree. Me see me brother jump and free. We no need no diamond chain. Me only need the rhythm fi ease me brain. Me swing me dread, me lift me chest. Me know Jah bless, me know me bless. No Babylon tune can shake this core. This roots rhythm reach me to the core. Me sip some coconut fresh and sweet. Me feel the fire under me feet.
Me drum, me chant, me spirit fly. Me link with Jah inna the open sky. Rasta no dance just for the show. We move with purpose, let it flow. We spin, we chant, we open gate. We free the mind, we drop the weight. Me light the chalice, me inhale deep. Me mind open wide, no time for sleep. This meditation come through bass. It bring me back to Zion place. Rhythm of the roots make me levitate. Every step a blessing I carry it. Me chant in a rhythm, me smoke the truth. Me dance in a circle with Jah youth. No lie can break this unity. Rhythm of the roots, set I free. Eh, eh. Nightfall come, firelight glow. Me people gather and spirit flow. Conga, drum and bongo rise. We chant and praise under starlit skies. Me feel the ancestors in a beat. Them guide me foot, them move me feet. From Africa to Caribbean wave. This rhythm rise from German grave. Me see the lion, me see the lamb. Me hold me heart in a Japan. Me chant one love from me chest. In a rhythm, me soul rest.
Oh, I bamba. Pushing on the chalice, yeah, man. Sunrise, I peek through me window pane. Me stretch and yawn, feel no pain. Me kettle boil, me chalice load. I eat all breakfast, pan the stove. Birds a sing, rhythm start fi play. Me give thanks for Jah this beautiful day. Me step outside with me spliff in hand. The whole earth feel like promised land. Ganja morning, skank, skank all day. Bless up me soul in a natural way. Me spirit high like a mountain top. Reggae pan repeat, it nah go stop. We smoke, we laugh, we chant, we live. Me heart full up, God love forgive. No system stress can hold me down. Me wear me crown, Rasta in the town. The youth them gather for the corner side. One rhythm, one fire, one vibe inside. Me light the flame with conscious thought. Every pull of the herb bring what Babylon not taught. Me brethren played in a yabingi drum. Sistren sing while the spirit come. We reason deep about life and faith. No hate round here, just clean slate. Me look on the hills, feel Jah call. This life me live, me nah go fall. From the first cliff to me final breath. Me walk with love, me nah fear death. Bless up the farmer, we grow it right. No chemicals, just pure sunlight. Me blaze it for healing, for truth, for joy. Ganja me weapon, me tool, me toy. Who Babylon say illegal, but me say free. This plan connect I to divinity. So skank with me, left worries behind. A Rastaman's joy, me easy to find. Ganja morning skank, wake up strong. The heartbeat beat to Jah Jah song. Me spirit rise like a burning flame. Me no need riches, me no need fame. We skank, we bone, we elevate. Me cleanse me mind, me meditate. Each puff a prayer, each step a dance. Rasta life now leave to chance. Now midday comes, sun a blaze full heat. Me shirt off barefoot, feel concrete. Children laugh, them run and play. I tell juice, cool down me way. Me sit with me elders, wisdom time. Them tell me truth in rhythm and rhyme. No rush youth, just know your lane. Ganja guide you through joy and pain. Me take that in, give thanks again. Me life simple, me not chase fame. Me chase peace, me me chase one tone. Rastaman stand firm like stone. Ganja man in Skank, from dawn till night. Me soul shine bright in a holy light. Me walk me path with heart so free. Skanking to the sound of liberty. We burn it slow, we sing it loud. We lift the vibe above the cloud. No worry here, just good vibration. Reggae love is me true salvation.
Yeah, man. Rastaman is very man. Me rise with the breeze, silence in a me dome. Mountains whispering like ancestors call me home. Coconut oil palm me skin, me heart at ease. Me chanting on nature, me soul find peace. Birds are sing them sacred tune. Rasta bow to Jah, sun and moon. No concrete, just earth beneath me feet. I eat all food, sweet fruit me eat. This life a gift, me live it wise. Me eyes no blinded by Babylon lies. Me nah need no glitter, no gold. Me spirit rich, me heart stay bold. Roots and whispers guide thy soul. Urban drum make I hold. Me chanting silence, moving light. Jah love me sacred right. Roots and whispers day and night. Me burn me fire, keep it bright. No system touch me meditation. Rasta walk with elevation. Me sip me tea from bush me grow. Me no rush, I move slow. Rhythm from the hills play in a high brain. Every beat I wash like gentle rain. Me reason deep with me brethren. Both stars, both herbs, both where we've been. Each moment sacred, no time for waste. Me walk through Zion in perfect grace. Lion heart, serpent wise. Me see truth through many disguise. But me not preach hate, me preach one love. Like a dove rise from flames above. Roots and whispers make me fly. Me soul not chain, me spirit high. Me chant to Jah, me voice go far. Beyond the system, beyond the war. Roots and whispers, pure and strong. Rasta live long, live strong. Me move like wind, me flow like stream. Me wake the people from Babylon dream. Beat the drum like the flame. Call the ancestors, call them names. Still I see a guide I to this road. Me carry love, me carry code. No violence in a me meditation. Just balance heart vibration. Me plant herb, me plant hope. Me build ladder, me cut rope. Sometimes me cry for the world's pain. So me chant more to break the chain. Me not escape, me elevate. Me create space for ones to wake. This liberty humble yet mighty. The breeze know I name the sky right. Me each leaf a script, each breeze up sound. Me live in a silence but me heart stay warm. Me smoke one spliff, me close me eye. Me feel Jah presence in the sky. No preacher, no book, just connection. This reggae life is resurrection. Roots and whispers, all light tight. Me soul walk free in a Jah light. Me rise with sun, me sleep with moon. Me dance feel love, me chant me tune. Roots and whispers, whisper again. Teach the youth, guide the men. Me leave me words in a the breeze. Rasta truth, it never cease. Whisper in the roots, roots in the wind. Ganja light up and healing begin. Me not lost, me just away. In a Zion I find me way.
Na 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 Zion, lion is back, my Rastas. Darkness drop like a velvet robe. Me step on earth, feel the globe. No light but the stars and moon. Me heart beat steady, chant Jah tune. Me walk among trees, me barefoot free. Me spirit rise in a Zion decree. trouble here, just stars so bright. Me chant in the dark, me feel the flame. Me no need the gold, me praise Jah name. By moonlight me truly see what daylight hide come clear to me. Me sit on stone, me close me eyes, me breathe deep, feel Jah in skies. Me no see wall, me no see chain, me see love rise through Jah rain. Me reason with eye, me reason with tree, me reason with stars that shine pon me. Them tell me truth that books no write. Them show me peace in Jah pure light. No illusion, no fast life spin, just Rasta way, clean soul within. Me light one more pass to me brother. We share one flame, we light together. Me travel far without a step. Me soul go deep, me heart accept. Jah open gate where eyes can't see. In a moonlight code, me find the key. Drum echo in a me chest. Me know this part, me know me blessed. No fury here, just sacred ground, where Jah truth always be found. Zion by moonlight, no disguise. Me walk the path, me hear the cries, but in a silence, me find the cure. Me realize what life is for. By moonlight, me sing so clear. Jah love alone, me carry near. Me see vision of warrior drum. Me see Zion children still to come. Them rise with love, not guns and fear. Them chant truth, them make it clear. Me see Naya Bingi fire burn. Them chant one love, Babylon turn. Me hear me grandmother voice again. Say child walk wise and feel the rain. Me bless me head, me hold the vibe. Me carry the rhythm, me keep the tribe. Me build me song like mountain tall. Me drop them verses like sacred call. Now sun peaks over hills so wide, but me still feel the moon inside. Me carry that light through daily strife. Me hold Jah peace, me hold Jah life.
Aye, 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 aye. Rastaman smoke kaya and grilled chicken, yeah man. In the silence of the night, me hear the call. Whispers from the trees, them rise and fall. Ancient spirits dancing a wind, telling stories about the fire within. Me light a candle, chant a prayer, cleanse me soul from worldly fear. Me not chase no gold or fame. Me seek the truth, not play no game. Me feel the drum beat deep in me bones. Guide me path when me walk alone. The mystic fire, it blaze so bright. Burning lies, revealing light. Mystic fire blaze up in me. Show I the way, set I spirit free. In the dark, I still sight the spark. Jah guide me steps like Noah's Ark. Me climb the mountain, chant Rastafari. Thunder clap and the eagle fly. Me hold a chalice, reason with star. No say Jah, never far. Babylon try to confuse the youth, but me drop rhythm like holy truth. Me words them heal, them rise like tide. Even in pain, me nah run, me ride. Me wear me crown of roots and leaf. Me live me days beyond belief. Meditation, me daily food. Me walk with lion hearts through the hood. Mystic fire blaze up in me. Show I the way, set I spirit free. In the dark, I still sight the spark. Jah guide me steps like Noah's Ark. When the world fall quiet, me still chant strong. Me know where me belong. Me heart beat like thunder drum. And to the fire, me always come. Them system try control me breath, but Rasta chant put lies to death. Me soul not sell, me part divine. Me reason with trees, an ancient sign. Them build the walls, me walk through still. Me hold firm, Jah give me will. Me skank through fire, me feel no flame. Cause me heart already tame. Me voice echo in a valley deep. Awaken ones, them long asleep. Me words like keys, unlock the mind. Set the chain, soul free from bind. Me not carry grudge, me carry grace. Me blaze herbs in a secret place. Me lift me ends and give up praise to Jah who guide through all me days. Mystic fire blaze up in a me. Show I the way, set I spirit free. In the dark, I still sight the spark. Jah guide me steps like Noah's Ark. When the world fall quiet, me still chant strong. Me know where me belong.
Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, man, give me the paper, star sick. Oh, yo, yo. Oh, yo. Yeah, man. The fire burn, it never go out. Burning bright through the struggle and doubt. Lift up your heart. The journey begin. Jah Jah power, the fire within. Them try to break we, but we stand firm. Every trial is a lesson to learn. The system heavy, but this soul is free. Jah Jah spirit bring we victory. From the streets of Kingston to the African plain. The struggle the same, the love remain. The roots grow deep, the branches tall. One world, one people, rise above all. The fire within, it never go out. Burning bright through the struggle and doubt. Lift up your heart, the journey begin. Jah Jah power, the fire within. Music are the weapon, love are the key. Unlock the chain, set the captives free. The beat are the heart, the rhythm divine. Reggae are the bridge where the spirits align. Now fear the shadow, now fear the night. The star of Jah shine pure and bright. The fire of truth make the darkness fade. We keep on marching in the light Jah made. Oh, the fire ignite. Feel the power, feel the light. Oh, the message clear. Jah Jah love, Jah Jah near. The fire within, it never go out. Burning bright through the struggle and doubt. Lift up your heart, the journey begin. Jah Jah power, the fire within. So rise my people, now let them win. Jah Jah guide you through thick and thin. The fire a burn, it never fade. In the warmth of Jah we unafraid.
Nah, smoke ganja with Rasta. Nah, smoke ganja with Rasta. Early light bless the hills, them gold. Me rise with the sun, me spirit bold. Wash me face in the river stream. Me cleanse me mind, me live me dream. No processed thing, me food come raw. I tell way, me anna jala. Banana kalaloo, coconut cream. Me nourish me temple, me live clean. Me spark a spliff with pure intention. Meditation, not just attention. No hype, just deep connection. Inna me chest, love's resurrection. Come on a ride with the nightal soul. Me heart beat warm, me eyes them all. Come chant a tune under Zion sky. In a pure vibration, me spirit fly. Ital soul, ital fire. Born Babylon eyes elevate higher. Me no rush, me take time with me steps. Each breath sacred, each footstep blessed. Me hear the wind whisper ancient song, telling me Rasta, you're right where you belong. Me no own much, but me rich in peace. Me kitchen humble, still joy increase. Me take me drum, beat one rhythm. Me know who I am, me nah need system. Them chase glitter, me whole wisdom. Them in a panic, me in Jah kingdom. Me dreadlock long like river flow. Me roots grow deep, them can't overthrow. In a smoke, me find clarity. Me no lost, me rise in sincerity. Me chant psalms in a natural space. Me walk slow, me keep Jah pace. Me no need fast lane, me need peace. Me no buy chaos, me choose release. In the herb, me find me guide. In a Jah light, me always reside. Come on a ride with a nightal soul. Me cook up love in a coconut bowl. Me vibes them fresh, me thoughts them bright. Me step in truth from morn till night. Ital soul, ital flame. Me carry no hate, me no play no game. Sit pan rock with me brethren them. Reason about life from way back when. No phone, no screen, just real talk. Rasta art, long forest walk. We share fruits and split the herb. No fake smiles, we speak Jah word. We laugh, we cry, we sing them tunes. Under crescent moon, we chant full moons. Me daughter dance barefoot in grass. Me son build strength like roots in a class. Them grow with wisdom, not just rule. Them learn Jah ways, not just school. So ride with me, ital road long. But we sing life's truth like Rasta song. Me can't promise riches, me can't promise fame. But me offer freedom in Jah name. Me live simple, me heart stay wide. Jah compass is me in a guide. So if you seek light and peace inside, then welcome to the ital soul ride. Yeah, Rastaman is so high in the jungle. Yeah, man. Me see her walk on Jah earth so fine. Barefoot queen like the star she shine. She carry the wisdom of roots and vine. Her eyes reflect that love divine. Under the moonlight she roll the leaf. In a silence we find relief. No need for rush, we take it slow. Through urban chant, our spirits grow. Rasta love whispers through the trees, like sacred wind upon the breeze. No need for words, me heart she know. Together we move where the rivers flow. She me queen, me natural vibe. No makeup, no lies, just pure tribe. We chant and laugh beneath just skies. Rasta love never fade, it never dies. Me tell her stories of stars and sand. She paint me future with her gentle hand. We light the chalice, give thanks and pray. Each sunrise bring a brighter day. She plant her food with care and song. She teach the youth what's right from wrong. Her voice like bird song in the trees. She bring me soul, eternal peace. Me no need diamond, me no need gold. Her love more precious, never old. She hold me down like sacred ground. With every touch, me joy is found. Light it up, me empress true. Me sky turn blue when me sight of you. Rasta love, no drama scene. Jah make me queen from roots so clean. Hold me hand, we blaze the way. With one heart, we nah go stray. Yeah. Rasta love whispers in the night, like moonlight draped in soft delight. We not fight, we not pretend. We just flow like rivers bend. In a hammock or beneath the stars, we heal each other's deepest scars. No stress, no fear, no mask to wear. Just Rastafari love forever there. Me empress crown, she wear it tall. She chant for peace, she pray for all. She guide me soul, she spark me fire. She lift me up, she take me higher. Through every storm, she not let go. She keep it steady, she make it flow. From Blue Mountain to Westmoreland, together we walk hand in hand. We reason deep, we laugh out loud. We dance beneath each thunder cloud. Our temple built on sacred ground, where only truthful hearts are found. So if you find a queen so true, hold her close, give thanks for you. Love that born from roots so deep is the love you always keep. Na Zion echoes is so high, yeah, man. Me enter temple, silence fall. Me spirit rise as me answer the call. Incense burn, me heart feel light. Me step inside Jah healing light. Me roll the herb, slow and wise. Me chant a psalm under mystic skies. One puff, me leave the pain. Me mind no longer feel the chain. Me sit on stone, me close me eye. Me hear the ancestors whisper why. Them say hold firm, seek Jah face. This herb will guide you to the sacred place. In a herb temple, me find peace. Ganja flow, all stress cease. Me chant in a haze, me float so free. Herb temple open eternity. No hate, no war, just pure vibration. Me live in a herb temple meditation. Me grind the leaf with reverence deep. Me build the chalice, me nah skip sleep. Me fire blaze, the chalice glow. Me breath in rhythm, me mind move slow. Me circle full of humble soul. We chant in harmony, full control. No ego, no mask, no disguise. Just truth light up in our Jah eyes. Me sight the moon rise up above. Me heart full up with roots and love. Me sip the bush tea, fresh and warm. Me soul wrapped in Jah arm. Me no smoke fi fun, me smoke fi rise. Herb temple bring light to me eyes. Me meditate, me elevate. Me reach in a place where hate can't wait. Me flow through rhythm, slow and clean. Me dance in a vision, me soul never seen. Me levitate pan healing base. Me see me truth, me find me space. In a herb temple sound like prayer.
Me chant and burn the smoke in air. Me sing with lion, me sleep like lamb. Me hold the vibe like sacred psalm. No lies, no illusion, no separation. Just I and I in a meditation. Me no need no high-rise wall. Me find your kingdom where leaf fall. Me pick the plant with humble heart. Me know this journey just the start. Me see the youth learn the code, how to grow love and lighten load. Me teach the way, me share the fire. Me pass the chalice, me lift them higher. Inna the hills where time can rule, me build me temple, me just school. Me smoke for clarity, smoke for light. Me herb meditation bring me sight. So me light one more before me rest. Me give thanks for life, me know me blessed. Me inhale truth, exhale stress. Herb temple guide me through the test. Let the rhythm carry me far to Zion gate and holy star.
Zion echoes. Me wake up, first thing me do, bless the herb, me know it true. Meditation, me soul renew. Babylon, can't stop me view. Rhythm strong, me hear it loud. Me chant my song, me stand so proud. Them can't break me, them can't bring doubt. Me rise up high, me never bow out. Keep the fire blazing, make it never low. Jaja love a shine, make the whole world glow. Reggae on the street, make the good vibes flow. Me trod it firm, me never move slow. Keep the fire blazing, make the music play. One love strong, make the people stay. No matter what, me nah go stray. Reggae still rule, from night till day. Babylon system, full up with lies. Them can't see truth, them close them eyes. Me hold the torch, me light the way. Me chant my psalms, me kneel and pray. Herb in a me hand, wisdom grow. Real Rastaman, me spirit show. Me step up strong, me heart a glow. One love still reign, we never low. Keep the fire blazing, make it never low. Jaja love a shine, make the whole world glow. Reggae on the street, make the good vibes flow. Me trod it firm, me never move slow. Keep the fire blazing, make the music play. One love strong, make the people stay. No matter what, me nah go stray. Reggae still rule, from night till day. Drums a beat, bassline roll. Reggae make you lose control. Feel the rhythm, free your soul. One love, still the only goal. Me burn the stress, me burn the pain. Herbs still burn, the love remain. One heart, one soul, one aim. Keep the fire, spread the flame.